Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. We are students from University Teknologi Mara UiTM Cawangan Negeri Sembilan Kampus Kuala Pilah taking the Diploma in Food Technology program. I am here today as a representative of my group to introduce our presentation on the topic application of apparatus in the pharmaceutical industry. This presentation will be delivered by me and my group members, where we will explain the types of apparatus used, the apparatus needed, and the procedure involved. Each of us will cover different parts, and together we will show how these apparatus play an important role in maintaining the quality consistency of pharmaceutical products.
Okay, so in this part, I will explain to you what is apparatus. Apparatus is the equipment such as tools and machines which is used to do a particular job or activity. In the pharmaceutical industry, apparatus refers to a set of tools, instruments, or equipment that are used for production of medicines. The example for apparatus in the pharmaceutical industry is heating apparatus, glassware, and weighing apparatus.
And now we are moving on to the types of apparatus. There are multiple types of apparatus. However, we're going to look at the common one that is usually used in the lab. The first example is heating apparatus such as water bath. It is being used for heating up samples at a constant temperature for long periods of time. Second one is oven, used for dry up samples prior to weighing at a really high temperature. And lastly, hot plate. It is used for speeding heating of any solution in a container or under controlled temperature. The second one is glassware apparatus, such as graduated cylinder, which is used to accurately measure the amount of liquids that is needed. The second one is burette, to precisely deliver measured amount of liquids. And lastly, beaker. It is used to hold, mix, or roughly measure liquids in experiment. Moving on to the last examples of apparatus, which is weighing apparatus. The first one is mechanical analytical balance, which is used to measure mass using a manual beam mechanism. The second one is electronic analytical balance, used to measure mass digitally with high precision. And lastly, top pen balance, used for quick weighing of solids with moderate accuracy.
Hi everyone, my name is Wanur Fatini Yusra binti Wan Imran Faisal. For this video, I will explain about apparatus, techniques, and reagent used in the pharmaceutical industry. My focus is on the apparatus, especially the ones used in pill or tablet making. So, I will talk about two types of apparatus. The first one is the grinding apparatus, which is the pestle and mortar. And the second one is glassware, which includes the beaker and graduated cylinder. First, we have the pestle and mortar. This apparatus is used to grind solid materials into fine powder. In the pharmaceutical industry, grinding is an important step. When the powder is fine, it helps the ingredient mix better with others and also makes the medicine easier for the body to absorb. For example, before making a paracetamol tablet, the raw material is first ground using pestle and mortar. This step helps to make sure each pill has the same amount of medicine and works effectively. Next, we have glassware. The two I will explain are the beaker and graduated cylinder. A beaker is used to mix or heat liquids, while a graduated cylinder is used to measure liquids accurately. Both are very important in the pharmaceutical industry, especially when making syrup, solution, or coating for pills. For example, if we need 50 milliliters of a coating liquids, we will use the graduated cylinder to measure the exact amount. Then we pour it into into a beaker to mix it with other ingredients. So this helps make sure that the medicine is made with the right amount of liquid and it's safe and consistent. So I have done of my part. Thank you. Bye.
Lastly, weighing apparatus is also used in pharmaceutical industry. One of the common apparatus used is electronic analytical balance. Analytical balance is used in pharmaceutical industry to measure the weight of raw materials and ingredients. The analytical balance can measure weights up to nearest 0.01 milligram to 0.001 gram that ensure accuracy measurement of ingredients used. So weighing the raw materials are one of the most important steps in ensuring the correct formulation when make when making the medicine such as pills and tablets. For example, in the making of vitamin C tablets, the electronic analytical balance is used to weigh the exact amount of ascorbic acid needed for precise drug concentration. This ensures that every single vitamin C tablet produced delivers the exact amount of dose needed to the patient. Right now, we move to the next part, which is application of the apparatus in pharmaceutical industry. In this part, I will share about how calamine lotion is made. Have you guys ever heard about calamine lotion? Calamine lotion is a topical medication used to relieve symptoms of various skin diseases such as eczema, insect bites, and itching. So let's see how calamine lotion is made. Firstly, weigh 3 gram of calamine powder, 1 gram of zinc oxide, and 0.6 gram of bentonite accurately. In this step, we use electronic analytical balance to weigh all the ingredients. Secondly, place the weighed ingredients in a mortar and grind the powders to make them fine particles. In this step, we use pestle and mortar to make sure the ingredients are mixed well. Then, add sufficient amount of water and glycerin in the mixtures. Continue to mix it until a fine paste is formed. In this part, we use graduate cylinder to measure the amount of water and glycerin needed. Lastly, add more purified water to dilute the mixture. Transfer the finished calamine lotion into dispensing bottle.
Place
So right
calamine
now,
powder
let's
in
watch this
mortar.
video to
Calamine is
understand
an
more
active
about the
ingredient that
process
acts
of
as
making
anti-itch
calamine
medicine
lotion.
and give a cooling sensation.
So right
Then
now,
add
let's
zinc
watch this
oxide.
video
Zinc oxide
to
provides
understand more
antiseptic and
about the
astringent
process of
properties.
making calamine
Triturate the
lotion.
mixture to reduce the size of
So right now,
particles.
let's watch this video
Add
to understand
bentonite,
more
which
about
acts
the
as
process
suspending
of making
agent to reduce
calamine
the
lotion.
viscosity of the mixture, and
So right
continue
now,
to mix
let's
it
watch
well.
this video to
Add
understand
sufficient
more
amount
about the
of
process
water
of
and
making
glycerol
calamine
and
lotion.
continue to mix it until a fine paste
So
is
right
formed.
now, let's watch
Glycerol
this
acts as
video
an
to
emollient which
understand
will
more
help
about
make the
the
mixture
process
become
of making
moisturized.
calamine lotion.
Then add more purified water to
So
dilute
right
the
now,
mixture
let's
and you
watch
are
this
done.
video
Make
to
sure to
understand
transfer
more
the
about
calamine
the
lotion
process
from
of
the
making
mortar
calamine
into the red
lotion.
medicine bottle. Red bottles are
So right
used to
now,
pack the
let's watch this
medication
video
for
to
external use
understand
only,
more
such as
about the
calamine
process
lotion.
of making
Thanks for
calamine
watching.
lotion.
Follow my PSA.official for more.
Okay, so in conclusion, apparatus play an important role in various industries, not only in the pharmaceutical industry. The use of this apparatus can help to ensure that every step taken is accurate and effective. Understanding the function of each apparatus is vital for smooth operation in the industry.